Hey guys, welcome to this another episode at Westside Farm. In this video, we'll be showing you guys and also giving you a tour of Westside Farm. Also, we're giving you some information and basically show you our operation on a day-to-day basis. Remember guys, stay tuned on the journey. Like, subscribe, and just remember to share. Blessings.
Mr. Tyndale, boss man, my proud of the animals, them look outstanding. This is a white line farm.
No, Westside.
Westside farm. Perfect. I could talk now, because you know my question to you. I used to be a government employee.
Yeah.
You are one government employee yourself, and I see you raise some goat. Why, Mr. Tyndale?
I don't know. Raising goat has always been a passion for me, from high school. At tender age. So I just work with the passion and eventually trying to turn it into a business.
Okay.
Yeah.
So far,
it's really a passion.
It's really a passion.
Yeah.
How you plan to turn this into a business? What is your end game?
The aim is genetics and meat.
Okay.
So really, that is the main focus.
So what kind of genetics you have here?
Boar.
Okay, you do
Some graded.
some graded boar and
And a one Nubian. No, not really a Nubian fan.
Why you're not a Nubian fan?
Not really my type of goat.
Oh, you like the animals them built like yourself?
Yeah.
I see that, man.
A few of my friends are encouraging me, say, have a few Nubians produce milk when you need some foster mothers or so and so. Look into it, makes sense. So.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
But you have milk replacer, so why you need a milking goat? Cheap up on your pocket?
Cheap up on the pocket,
I think.
Because it's all about the less you spend, the more you save.
Alright. I really wonder how much animals you have here.
Around 26 at the moment.
My question to you, how is it that you raise these animals and we know we in one community? Where you get your grass from?
Alright, as you can see to the left of your side, we have a quarter acre.
Okay.
That's basically my father bank, cut and carry.
Cut and carry.
Sometime when I reach a standard, I let them to graze. As you can see here, and we go out source Lucina, bread nut, the work same way.
Okay. And that's sustainable for you?
Very sustainable. Look at the condition.
Yes, they look really
Very
nice.
sustainable. Very sustainable.
They look really nice.
A lot of work, but less worm, less this.
How you balance this though with your 9 to 5?
Planning
Planning.
and management. Planning. Weekends hectic. All about securing feed for the animals. Touch Monday, straight work. Yes, and we have to store feed and everything. Get help from mom or a friend of mine. Come in, feed them daily, and you know the works.
Would you encourage other government officials to get into goat rearing as a business?
Definitely. But what I would encourage them first and foremost to do is learn about it. Just don't jump in it, because you have to learn about caring of the animals, housing the animals, and also those are the key factors for me.
It's a big
Housing, feeding.
housing and feeding.
Yeah.
I agree with you. The key foundation.
Yeah.
There's a big question about pricing of animals. What is your take on pricing? How you got started? What was the decision in buying some of these animals? What did you look at before you come to some negotiation?
Pricing is a long conversation as it relates to goat, because as you know, we are Jamaican, some of us very stubborn. But when I started out, I only had like around 10 common goats, the bigger size are local goats and a graded buck. Decide that I'm going to step it up now. Then the goat price thing, graded selling from back then, grade was selling for like 30, 40. That was like 2 years back. Now I see graded herself 70, 80. So I don't know, but I guess the market, the demand is there now. So you know, from demand is there,
Price.
the price is going
Price
to
will go up.
Yeah, basic economics. Once
Yes.
things in the market, then the price is going to
I agree.
increase. Yeah, but it's basically that.
It's 3 months.
Going forward.
Yo, this is nice. What line is this?
Actually, I'm not sure no, but I know Magnum.
Oh, so Magnum in him.
X-Man.
An X-Man.
Yeah, because his father was originally coming from Archer, and the mother was my mother. She's a mix, an X-Man and next line. But the father come definitely from Magnum.
Yeah, it's a nice animal. 3 months.
3 months old, going for.
Going for. Lovely.
Yeah, man, lovely book.
Lovely buck. Alright, I see you have an animal you like shot a C-section. What
Yes.
what happened?
Really, what happened? You know, we had a breach. A breach, right? I'll go inside and better explain it. She was due to kid. That was last week, around the early February. But when we realized the day our due date, I realized she was straining and the back here was swollen.
Okay.
She was trying to push, but nothing. When she pushes, you see something like she's about to prolapse.
Okay.
Or push out the womb then, put it that way.
Yes.
So I realized she was nudging her, grinding her teeth and grunting a lot of pain. So I reached out to Dr. McHugh and a few other senior farmers in the business, and they said, get a vet. So what really happened, she had a strain and the kid was resting on her uterus.
Oh, okay.
The head of the kid was running and resting on the uterus. So while she trying to give birth, she was pushing out the uterus and the womb instead of pushing out the kid. So none of that couldn't come out.
Get you.
So Dr. McHugh came, did the C-section. Unfortunately, both kids died. Yeah, and she's here,
But she's here.
coming along, being grateful. You know, so basically it's just waiting on her now to
Recover.
pick up back, recover, and then we take it from there. Either we're going to color out the system or try with her again. But she have a long way to go. I won't be putting her out or trying that with her again until about next year.
I get you.
Time. Giving her adequate amount of time to heal, recover and everything.
Okay. That's sad, but you know, it's part of the business. Yeah, part of the game. Livestock is so like this.
Just like human beings, part of the game.
Part of the game.
Yeah.
So you say your brother, you say?
Yeah. They are twins.
Twins.
Right? This buck at birth rate was 13 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah. Almost killed the mother. I have to actually dry him out. The next brother was at 9 pounds. 9.5, yeah. Now, at 3 months old, he's around 62 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, 62 pounds. Him is 50, near 50.
So him drop off a farm.
Yeah.
Even though you come bigger.
And I'm telling you, the same feed program, same thing, but
But one respond better to the
yeah,
to the thing.
one is more responsive, yeah.
Yeah, so it go.
This goat, she had that alpine. She's an alpine mix. Very great with milk, as you can see. She's about 4 months old pregnant. You can look on the breast.
Yeah, other is outstanding.
Yeah, 4 months
Heavy.
old pregnant.
And just 4 months.
Yeah. So this is one of my faster mothers.
Okay.
Kind of aggressive, but she serve her purpose.
She serve her
She
purpose.
earn her spot. Put it that way. She earn her spot.
Love that.
Yeah, she earn her spot. This is another boar cross. Nubian cross, I should say. Boar and Nubian. She's also pregnant.
Yeah, heavy.
Another milk machine. So 2 faster mothers.
So you use these two to basically
Yeah, nurse kids.
nurse kids in case
Whereas
anything.
some first time mothers, when they neglect the kid or they have 2 kids and only take one, then put on one of them on the mothers and them is the nurture. So I don't really use milk replacer.
Yes, yes.
I really turn to my faster
You turn to your
mothers,
faster
and
mothers.
I kind of, the aim or the plan was try to breed all of them one time. So that can happen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so really that's how we operate things. We try to catch everybody the same time to get them pregnant.
Nice.
So who can faster, we just adapt them.
Adapt them.
Yeah.
I see something pretty interesting up there so a while ago. I see you have some carrot. What you do with carrot in your pen? Feed security. Alright, boss.
As you can see, yes. We travel and we get with feeds all over, man. All over. So far, now everybody know it's carrot reaping season. So
Okay, carrot at St. Elizabeth.
Carrot reap St. Elizabeth up Manchester side.
Yes,
so
yes.
I just link with a couple of farmers and do them a favor. After them sell them products, I take the bush.
Take the bush.
Yes, and feed the goats.
Alright, utilization
Yes.
agricultural ways.
So, always turn to the smarter way of getting feed. Yeah. Alright, October 22nd, decide to. Alright, Dr. McHugh said to Mr. Sanjay, I want you to try the air. That's a shovel shoot goat. So we did about 3 goats. Luckily, you can see one hole is confirmed.
One confirmed.
Yes.
Alright.
March, ending of March, 27th there about.
From the shoot and shovel bore line.
Yeah, shoot and shovel.
Nice.
As you can see, it's a full blood boar mother.
So you're going in the right
She's
direction.
a second lot of kids she will be having. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Super mother. So waiting to see what
the offspring look like.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, that
So
sounds
it's
good.
a AI product coming, huh?
AI product pan Sanjay farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Proud of you, man. Proud of you. Keep it going.
Yes, man.
Hey. So this one is in the making. 3 months old.
3 months old.
So where's him daddy? You see him daddy?
No, daddy, we send him to an next farm.
Okay, daddy gone to our next farm.
That's how we keep the genetics, you know?
Yes, boss. Hey. Yo, look at this muscling of this animal. This is really outstanding. Why, our local genetics really nice. We just need to evaluate and quantify this data, you know, man. Outstanding. You see him animal, them and beat him. 1 year. Yes, champion. 1 year product. Oh.